Senator Lito Lapid, 4,760,000,000, 4.76 billion ang kanyang insertion. At least ito muna nasa listahan ko. Senator Mig Subiri, 2.095 billion. Senator Cynthia Villar, 4,367,500,000. Senator Francis Tolentino, 6,300,902,000. Senator Coco Pimentel, 3,788,469,000. Senator Bongo, 3,647,000. Ay, di ba? 3,647,000,000. Senator Nancy Binay, 4,187,000,000. 4.187 billion. Senator Pia Cayetano, 4,139,000,000. Senator Rafi Tulfo, 5,181,000,000. Senator Grace Poe, 11,414,000,000. Senator Amy Marcos, 5,912,500,000. Senator Mark Villar, 3,638,820,000. Senator Win Gatchalian, 3,756,000,000. Senator J.B. Ejercito, 3,831,000,000. And Senator Risa Ontiveros, 3,035,800,000. Yung iba, hindi ako nagulat. Kay Senator Risa, nagulat ako. Bakit po? Sapagkat siya po ay morally upright. Ang gagaling ninyong magsalita ng masama sa kapwa ninyo. Ang sinasabi niyo po ba, lahat ay pwede nating busisiin? Jinggoy Estrada, Joel Villanueva, Chis Escudero, and all others pwede nating busisiin. Pero si Senator Risa Ontiveros, hindi. Is he exempted from public scrutiny? Baka nakalimutan ninyo, mga kababayan, that public office is a public trust. Wala pong exempted dito.